my role is Senior Commissions Manager at Toast, it's a local Boston company. I've been there about 4 years now. I love the complexity about comp. One day you're working with finance on budgets, the next day you're working with sales ops for quota. You get to kind of get your hands in a little bit of everything, marketing, even, sales leadership. Just, you get really to see everything about the company. When I started at Toast about 4 years ago, there was no comp team. Comp was done, basically in Excel by finance. When I got there, I hired a few commissions analysts. We implemented Xactly. Now 4 years later, we've got seamless comp cycle going on every month. We've got Xactly implemented with HR integration, with Snowflake integration. So everything's just seamlessly working. I would say that's probably my most proud moment at Toast. So I love just everyone at Xactly, our whole team, our customer success team, our TAM, even our sales rep, everyone just keeps us fully informed on everything. Just everything's working. If we have any questions, it all just works really well.